Good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. Today we're actually heading out to Modesto to go support our boy Johnny. He's got an awesome show called Showoff, and I think he's bringing out some pretty cool cars. So we're gonna go make about an hour and a half drive out to Modesto from here, and we're gonna go burn because it's 105 degrees. But luckily, intermittent clouds. So that's the seller for me. But all right, y'all, let's go. Really had to pee. So, shout out to this hotel. I know, yeah, that guy was pretty slammed. All right, driving up onto the sidewalk. We doing all right? Ah, that's fine. I'll send it. Yeah. Polyurethane lid? Yep. There you go. Hey, thanks, man.
Perfect road down.
Appreciate it. This is my first time driving on a sidewalk. This is interesting. Oh, that's so cool. I think this Tesla aired up to make it up that curve. That is so smart. Yo, what's going on, brother? Long time no see.
I know.
Ooh, car's looking good, man.
Thank you.
Ooh. We decided to watch a movie because it is so hot outside. It is 103 right now. It's gonna get to 109, and that's crazy to me. So here we are. You know, nice cool 106 right now. Pre-dinner hot Cheeto quesadillas. Yup. And that's it, y'all. This is a fun show. It's been really, really hot though, so I'm excited to get out of the Modesto heat. It's actually still 104 right now, and it's like 7 o'clock, which is pretty crazy. Man, I'm melting slowly. Anyways, y'all, this was great. Got to see a ton of crazy good builds and just walk around. Inside was dope because there was AC especially. Oh, I felt pampered in there. Yeah, we're calling it a night and heading home. But hey, shout out again, Johnny, Rad House, Nostalgic, 209 Nights. This has been a dope event, and I'm excited to run this back. So till next time, y'all. Peace.